Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Gavin or BornHype coming at you guys with a brand new video. So today we got the PARRA SBs. So basically, normal SB box as usual. But these are very, very nice. I like these a lot, actually. Sorry, I just hit my mic like 3 times. But I like these a lot, actually. I already opened them, but just a normal dunk box. And then we got the shoe. So here is the shoe. Here's the other side. These swooshes are kind of sick. They're like fur, like not fur, but like not like my mic fur, but it's like, I don't know, it's just like soft. It's nice. We got the PARRA on the tongue. We have the cool inside PARRA SB design and Nike SB on the opposite side of the tongue. And then we got these sick laces that come with it. And then the white laces inside, of course. Nothing cool on the bottom, unfortunately, but these are pretty sick. I got some mean factory flaws. I don't know if you could see it, but it's like right here. Yeah, you can see it right like around there, around the swoosh. And then there's like a glue spot like right there. Nothing too big. And then on this one there's like another glue spot, which I'm about to take off right now because it's like hanging off. And then like there's like some ink or something like right around here, like the top part right around here. Other than that, though, a very nice shoe. If I cop more on sneakers, I might have to keep this pair because this is my size. But yeah, that's basically it for the pair of Nike SBs. And while I was at Theory, actually, entering the raffle, I got a different pair of SBs that were on sale. So I hit my mic again, but here are the, they're on sale for $95. These are Jordan 1 Low SBs in a size 8.5, and if you guys resell a lot, you'll know what these are. I forgot the name of the collab, but I know they're like Midnight Navy or something on StockX, but size 8.5 here for 95 bucks, and they resell for around like close to 200. So that was a good pickup. And then I did cop the Chinatown Market Converse, the low top ones today, manually, and I wasn't home, otherwise I would have recorded a live cop, but I already have one of those up anyway, so it's fine. But that went well, and I got these today, and hopefully I hit on Nike tomorrow and there's a live cop for these, because it didn't go well online. But yeah, guys, hope you guys did enjoy this video. I will have a giveaway link down in the description. Follow the rules on my Twitter, and that'll really be it. Actually, it might not be on Twitter. It might be through YouTube. I'll have the rules in the description, though, but check the description for the giveaway if you watched the last video. If you haven't yet, go check it out, my issues with StockX. And yeah, guys, this has been Gavin or BornHype, and I'm out. Peace. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications.